Hey everyone, welcome and happy new year. Welcome to the market update video. We are in today's Sunday, Jan 5th around 4:30 p.m. The market started off, well, the new year started off with a very heavy selling day on Thursday. And in some sense, it was to be expected because last year was such a blockbuster year. And if anybody had, especially the big smart money, if they had sold off a lot of their holdings, they would be liable for taxes in the last year itself. And therefore, I think if a lot of the big money just waited for the new year to come around and unloaded on Thursday. And Friday was a sort of flattish day. So as we go into the new year, a couple of things going on. One is the FOMC meeting minutes are going to come out this week on Wednesday. So that will give market participants some insight into what kind of discussions were going on when the tapering announcement happened last month. And so that will give some a little bit more insight into that. Now, gold has the first stock we're going to look at is gold, and gold has had a very bad year. It's down about 35% last year, and so as you can see, the charts are very weak on gold. However, the last 3 days, gold has tried to make some kind of a comeback. So this is definitely something to watch, and we're bound to see some big moves in gold. So whether it's up or down. And based on Wednesday's meeting, you might see another big move. Apple's been hit with some negative news lately, and so it's been on a bearish trend. You can see it's come down from about 580, 575, 580, down, all the way down to 540. So you want to, but it's still looking pretty bearish. In fact, Friday was a bearish day on Apple. Tesla seems to have found its footing. After the last earnings report, it went down from here from about 180, went down to 116. But since then, it's been looking pretty good. And in fact, now you can see that even the moving averages are looking positive. The other stock that was on the move quite a bit in December was Twitter. And again, with Twitter, it hit a high of about 75, and then for about 2 or 3 days it took a little beating, but again it seems to have found its footing. So these are some of the stocks that are in the move. Mastercard is another stock in the move, and they've announced a stock split. So if you do have any Mastercard options going into next week, you might want to watch out for how your positions might be affected by the split, because it's I think it's a reverse 10:1. So basically, Mastercard will be trading around $80 after the split is done. And they also announced a dividend. So those are some of the key stocks we're looking at. IBM's made a nice move in the last 2 weeks. And as you can see, from a bottom of about 172, it's been moving up very nicely actually, and it's just sort of cooled off right here. But this is a classic bull flag pattern, so we'll need to watch for that as well. All right, so we'll be in touch. This is Sunday, January 5th, and you can expect market videos every couple of days or so. Thanks.